Check out these jaw-dropping makeovers. This first dresser had a really bad paint job, so first I got rid of that. I used the chemical stripper to remove it, and then I sanded what was left over to make it feel smooth. Then I put a bunch of half-round dowels on the bottom drawer for a cool reeded effect. The next day, I sprayed some clear shellac primer all over the dresser, and I painted the dresser in Fusion Mineral Paints color called Bayberry. I sanded in between coats to remove all of the brush marks in the paint. In the end, I opted to not put a top coat on it, but I put new hardware on all of the drawers, and here is what it looks like now. My sister gave me this beast of a TV stand. It sat in my garage for a while, and then I cleaned it and removed all of those annoying door stoppers. So then I had to fill in all the holes. Then I primed it with bin shellac based primer, and I will spare you from how many coats of primer and how much sanding it took me to get it ready for paint. Then I sprayed some Sherwin-Williams Emerald Trim Enamel in the semi-gloss sheen on it. To make it extra special, I added some cane in the door where the glass was. And then I put new hardware on, and check it out. Here is what it looks like now. It sold quickly for $300. I bought this ugly accent table for $30. It was pretty gross, so I scrub-a-dub-dubbed it. And then I scuff sanded it all down to help the paint stick and to sand off the damage on the top. Then I rolled on some bin shellac based primer, and then I sanded it nice and smooth once it was dry. Then I mixed up a couple of paint colors that I had on hand, and I sprayed it on. Technically, you don't have to top coat this paint, but I don't really love the way that the matte paint wears, so I sprayed a couple of coats of top coat on it. Bye-bye, ugly gold accents. Hello, fresh modern cabinet. What do you think of these makeovers? Let me know in the comments. Want to turn your hobby into cash? Click the link in my comments to download the free pricing guide that we use to buy and sell furniture.